Actresses especially do themselves a favor or a disservice by the way they look on red carpets?
I think she should care. I interviewed her as well, and I can forgive her for the dress and say, darling, you look fabulous in that dress. But the shoes, I can't even cover her for that, you know? I can't help her out with that one. So she really should have wore the same coloured pair of shoes. And I think she should care. She's a huge star. She has immense talent, you know, and why kind of allow your wardrobe to overshadow all of that?
But aren't there actors and actresses that just they get off on just doing the most fashion insane things? Like, look at Diane Keaton. When was the last time you ever saw her wear something nice when it was not for a role?
Yeah, but you know what? We all have to be socially responsible and look good for others.
That's a social responsibility.
We're the same.
Yes. Bruce says we have a mission.
And please, can all men take that to heart?
No, absolutely. We have a social responsibility. Why should I offend your eyesight?
Nothing will ever top.
Why should I offend your eyesight? It's wrong.
Nothing will ever top the outfit that Bjork won at the Oscars.
I mean, that was just
with
ridiculous.
this blonde dress.
But you don't realise she was a prophetess in the making, because look at the film. Look at the film that everybody's talking about. It is Black Swan.
Right.
And who graced us with the whole swan concept but Bjork.
Bjork, who knew?
Very good.
She was a... Foresight.
Tom,
amazing.
as